You sit with your hands raised. Your lips move slowly. Your heart feels heavy. You wonder why your words feel unheard. You feel tired inside. This moment is important. It matters more than you think. Many people talk to Allah every day, but very few speak from the place that truly opens doors. Prayer is not about using perfect words. It is about how your heart stands before Allah. You wake up already tired. Life feels heavy on your chest. Bills are waiting. Relationships feel tense. Your mind keeps running. In these moments, you rush your dua. You ask fast. You finish fast. You walk away feeling the same as before. Allah listens. Always. But how you come to Him changes. What happens inside your heart first? Talking to Allah begins before you speak. It begins with awareness. You pause for a moment. You take a breath. You remind yourself who you are speaking to. The one who knows your thoughts before you say them. The one who sees your tears before they fall. When you rush into prayer, your heart stays outside. When you slow down, your heart steps in. Speak to Allah with honesty. Let go of acting. Let go of speaking like you speak to people. Allah already knows your fear. Say it. Allah already knows your weakness. Admit it. Say, I am tired. Say, I feel lost. Say, I tried and I failed. This is not disrespect. This is truth. Allah loves truth that comes from a sincere heart. Many people only speak to Allah when they want something. This creates distance inside the soul. Talk to Allah even when you have nothing to ask. Tell Him how your day felt. Tell Him what hurt you. Tell Him what confused you. When you speak like this, prayer becomes a relationship. It is no longer a deal or an exchange. There is a moment in dua that changes everything. It is the moment when you stop demanding and start trusting. You ask with humility. You let go of control. You accept that Allah knows the best time. This does not mean you stop asking. It means you ask with calm and peace. Your words are important, but your inner state matters more. Speak softly. Speak slowly. Give your heart time to follow your tongue. Gratitude opens the door to answered prayers. Before you ask, remember what you already have. Breath, sight, shelter, faith. Even pain carries a lesson. When you thank Allah during difficulty, your prayer rises in a different way. Many people feel their prayers are not answered. Often the answer comes as strength instead of change, calm instead of removal, protection instead of delay. Allah answers in ways your eyes cannot see yet. There are days when silence comes after your dua. This silence is not rejection. It is preparation. Allah works beyond what you can measure. Trust grows when you keep talking even during silence. Talk to Allah at night, when the world is quiet, when no one expects anything from you. These moments soften the heart. Tears in these moments carry weight. You do not need perfect Arabic. You do not need long sentences. You only need sincerity. Speak as you are, broken or strong, confident or afraid. Allah accepts all of it. When you finish your dua, leave with hope. Expect good. Expect care. Expect guidance. Carry this hope into your day. Move forward with trust. Walk with patience. Answered prayers often meet those who keep moving with faith. If this message touched your heart, share it with someone who needs peace today. Like this video so it reaches more hearts. Subscribe for reminders that bring you closer to Allah. Keep talking to Allah. Keep trusting. Your voice is heard. Your heart is seen.